Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So I recently got my hands on these amazing budget audio monitoring headphones from a brand called One Audio. These are called the One Audio Pro 50s. I am using them for a long time right now, and yeah, I use them to edit my audios, and I hope that they sound better. And yeah, these are a really good pair of headphones for the price which you get them. Usually audio monitoring headphone goes for a lot, like 9 to 10,000 rupees, but I got these for about 3800 rupees, which is, I believe, a really good price for a pair of audio monitoring headphones. Now we'll check everything about these, starting with the unboxing. So with that said, let's hit that intro. First of all, these headphones are huge, but considering the size of the drivers, which are 50 millimeters, they are a very good size. They fit really well in your ear. Okay, they cover your entire ear. Yes, they are over ear headphones, and yeah, they have a type of cushioning. Okay, so it has a memory foam type of cushioning, which is really soft and very comfortable, and it also doesn't sweat your ears much like other earphones do. So you can really wear it for like 2 to 3 hours continuously, and yeah, you won't feel any pain in your ears, and also your ears won't sweat that much. Now talking about the build quality, it is entirely made out of plastic, with the only metal part being the headband extender. Apart from this, everything is made out of plastic. And yeah, even though it is very lightweight, and it is very sturdy headphone. There is a branding on both the ear cups and a really good design. So yeah, it looks and feels really good. I have got the red and black variant with me. So yeah, it looks classy. So as for the fit, the clamping force may be a little too much for some people, but it was okay for me. So yeah, you can adjust the clamping force by just extending your headphones. So that is I would say good and a bad thing at the same time. And these headphones are really flexible, so they won't break on you even if you adjust them for a long time. And the ear cups are also swiveling, so it can swivel in different directions depending on the type of comfort that you need and if you need to adjust them. And you also get a pouch inside the box in order to carry them, which is a good thing. Now there are two wires that you get with these earphones. One is a 3.5 to 3.5 mm cable, which is used to connect these to your smartphones or laptops. And there's a second cable which is a 3.5 millimeter to 6.5 millimeter cable, which is used to connect these to your audio interface or instruments. And a very interesting thing about these earphones is that they have two output ports, one on each ear cup. So one is a 6.3 millimeter and another one is a 3.5 millimeter. So you can use one single cable to connect this headphone to any of your devices, considering they have a headphone jack. Now talking about sound quality, I would straight away say that these are one of the most amazing sounding headphones that I have ever listened to. And when I talk like that, yeah, I mean it. I have also used headphones costing 10 to 11,000 rupees, but yeah, they don't really sound this good. These are straight away comparable to the Audio-Technica ATH M50Xs, which are industry standard in terms of audio monitoring headphones. Yeah, these are definitely comparable to those. They don't have much volume though, but once you connect it to your audio interface, these get plenty loud. And yeah, also the bass is a little lacking the audio is kind of flat, so if you're looking for that punchy sound, you won't get it. You will definitely get balanced sound output from it, which I personally like very much. I like that balanced sound output between the highs, the mids and the lows. So if you're that kind of guy who is searching for punchy pair of headphones, you can just look from some other brand like Skullcandy or something. Now if you're someone who is looking for a pair of headphones to monitor audio or to edit audios or for mixing, mastering and such kind of work, so you can definitely go for these headphones. But if you're someone who is purchasing these to listen to music casually, I don't think this is the kind of headphone for you, because most people won't like the audio output coming from these headphones. So that's my verdict. And yeah, if you like this product, you can buy it in the links down in the description. Those are my affiliate links, those help the channel. And yeah, that's been it for the video. So if you liked it, then hit that like button and share this video with everyone that you know, and also subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Hit that bell icon so that you never miss any uploads that I do. And yeah, with that said, I'm your friend Shinobi and I'm signing out. Peace.